Miss Pritzel of the Eponymous Library, and I am book talking book 2 of Jonathan Maberry's Broken Land series. It's called Lost Roads. So if you are into zombie apocalypse, this is a series for you. So it's a 2-book series. It's a spin-off of his 5-book series, Rotten Ruin. I put it in horror, but it may appeal to people who like sci-fi dystopian because it is both. But once again, it's zombie apocalypse. As in the other book, we have multiple points of view, but our main characters are really Gutsy, short for Gabriel Gomez, and Benny and Mora, and Ledger. Ledger's an adult. The other ones are kids. But we also have a new character in this one. We have a character called Brother Mercy, who is a Reaper in the Night Army. And then, of course, we get the different viewpoints of Benny and Gutsy's different friends. What happened at the end is there was a big, end of book 1, there was a big battle for New Alamo. And the humans won. But they know that more zombies are coming for them. So basically, this book is about them trying to reinforce the town and get ready for this new siege that they're going to be under from the Night Army. So they're reinforcing the wall with the crushed cars. They are exploring tunnels. They found out that there are tunnels outside of their city. They are also looking for the B lab because in the previous book, the Army Lab Research Center was destroyed. And the captain who was in charge of that, Captain Collins, they took her prisoner, but she escapes at the beginning of this one. And all the medicine for people who are infected. So they've come up with a medicine, but all of their stock of the medicine has been destroyed. And one of Benny's best friends, Chong, I think his name is a person who needs this medicine. So that's a big deal as they're trying to figure out like where else. That's why they're looking for like Lab B. Raggedy Man plays a big role in this, even though we don't see him very much. We find out at the end, the big shocker at the end of book 1 is that the Raggedy Man is actually the serial killer, Homer Gibbons, and the virus that made people into zombies was modified by a doctor who just wanted to punish Homer Gibbons. But Homer Gibbons ended up kind of being the one person really behind the zombie plague. But it also gives him the ability he can control. He's the one person who can control the zombies. So Brother Mercy, who we get a point of view of, is part of that army. But he's not a zombie. He's a person who's kind of wrangles zombies for the Raggedy Man. Some of Benny's and Gutsy's friends go on 2 separate missions. So some of them are looking for that other lab. Some of them are going to Reclamation, California to get help because they know that they're going to need to get help for the people in New Alamo. And some of them are going to Asheville, which is the new capital, which they don't know if it's been destroyed or not, but they're hoping to get help from that. So basically, they're trying to get help for this big battle that's going to culminate. There is plenty of action in this book because at least the last quarter of the book, if not the last third, it might be just a little less than a third, is basically the whole epic battle at the end with the Night Army against the people of New Alamo and all the different schemes that the people have come up with hoping to beat the zombie army of so many zombies that they should not be able to win. But well, you can probably guess what happens at the end, but it's not a 100% happy ending. So I do recommend this book and this 2-book series to people who want to read zombie apocalypse books. All right. If this is not what you're into reading, I'll help you find something else. Have a fantastic day. Keep on reading.